Hi there, I'm Peter Millard, and in today's short video I take a bunch of old little bits and pieces and I turn it into a workshop trolley. That's coming up next. So, you know, I've got one of those bitty, scrappy kind of weeks where I'm using up lots of offcuts to get the shelves for this little job. And the trouble with these sort of times is that when I'm cutting up longer boards I don't have space on the bench for the saw because the rest of the timber comes across here. What I could really do with one of those cute little workshop trolleys, you know, where you can put that on so it's off the bench, but then I don't use it that much. I'd only use it when I'm using this sort of jobs, and then you've got a trolley that's hanging around in your way all the time. But I do have this. I'll have a whole stack of these. So there we are, neat little Systainer trolley, just made out of stuff you already have. This just rolls out of the way when it's not in use. You just take the top off and you've got your regular stack of Systainers back, ready to go out on an install when you need it.